Hello and welcome to AMI Project. As you may know, starting from January 1st, 2026, electronic invoicing will become mandatory in Belgium for all business-to-business transactions. To help you through this transition, AMI Project now allows you to use the Peppol network, a secure and standardized platform for sending and receiving electronic invoices. Let's start with registering on Peppol. Go to your settings, then Manage My Account, and look for the new Peppol section. But first, why register with AMI Project? It's necessary if you want to automatically receive invoices and credit notes into your professional expenses within AMI Project. However, it's optional if you only wish to send invoices via Peppol. Important: Peppol allows only one software to be linked per company. To register, you'll need a personal validation key. Contact us at info@amiproject.be to confirm your identity and receive your key. If you were already using another Peppol-connected software, ask them for a migration key, which you can then enter into AMI Project to transfer your registration. Let's register the company now using the validation key. Registration successful. Let's move on. Before sending an invoice through Peppol, make sure your client is also registered on the network. The client page will automatically indicate whether the client is available on Peppol. If the client isn't registered yet, you can still send a PDF or UBL invoice via email as before. Let's send an invoice now. Create your invoice or credit note as usual in AMI Project. Then click the Send via Peppol button. Confirm that the document status will be set to Sent. Invoice sent successfully. AMI Project handles everything for you. The document is converted to UBL-BIS3 format and sent through the centralized Peppol network. By registering your company with Peppol earlier in this video, we also activated automatic receipt of incoming documents. As soon as a supplier sends you an invoice via Peppol, it is automatically added to your professional expenses in AMI Project. You'll recognize Peppol imported expenses thanks to the special icon. The icon on the side shows that an attachment has been received. This is the UBL file. By default, the expense is marked as unpaid, and no expense type is applied. But of course, you can edit these values manually. And that's it. Using Peppol with AMI Project is that simple. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. See you soon.